okay?
Hi, DC McBride, pleased to meet you.
You okay?
Well, she's a keen historical reenactor, singing to
Huh?
Nottingham.
You okay?
What era?
All the roses, always
Okay.
a wench.
Well, henceforth you will be
You have a
known as
sneeze?
Meg and Paul.
Huh?
Who's going to drink your coffee?
Oh, me. Tilly. Girl, come here. Girl. Tilly, come here. Come here. Come here. Tilly.
All bespoke.
Sorry.
You okay? Come here. Come here. Oh, man. You okay?
Stylist. Working with a band. We did a lot of skinny indie.
Honey.